Doctor warns, these 5 reheated foods increase the risk of pancreatic cancer. Stick with me until the end because I'll share a simple daily tip that can help you handle leftovers safely and feel more in control of your wellness. First on the list, fried foods. Think leftover French fries, fried chicken, or anything cooked in oil. When you reheat them in more oil or the microwave, the fats can oxidize further, creating harmful byproducts. These oxidized lipids may contribute to inflammation that affects your digestive system, including the pancreas. Many seniors enjoy fried sides as comfort food, but reheating them repeatedly turns that comfort into something less friendly for long-term health. Instead of tossing them back into a pan with oil, try reheating in a dry oven at around 350 degrees or use an air fryer. This brings back the crisp without adding new damaged fats. Better yet, enjoy fried foods fresh when you can, and portion smaller amounts so you don't have as many leftovers. Your body will thank you with steadier energy and less digestive discomfort. Next, leafy greens like spinach, kale, or chard. These are packed with nutrients we all need more of as we get older, but reheating them after they've sat in the fridge can turn natural nitrates into nitrosamines. Experts note these compounds have been studied for potential links to cellular changes over time. If you've been saving spinach from dinner and zapping it the next day, you might be unintentionally increasing exposure. The smarter move is to cook only what you'll eat in one sitting. If you do have leftovers, eat them cold in a salad or gently warm them just once on the stovetop with a little moisture, not in the microwave. Fresh is always best for these greens. Add them raw to smoothies or lightly steam new batches daily. This way you keep all the vitamins without the worry. Third, rice. Cooked rice is a staple in many homes, easy and filling. But when left at room temperature or stored improperly, bacteria can produce a toxin that reheating doesn't destroy. Even if it looks and smells fine, that reheated rice might carry extra load for your digestive organs, including the pancreas, especially if done often. To handle rice safely, cool it quickly within 1 hour after cooking, spread it in a shallow container, and refrigerate right away. Eat it within 24 hours. When reheating, make sure it steams hot all the way through, and don't keep reheating the same batch multiple times. Many seniors find cooking smaller portions of rice fresh each time reduces waste and supports better comfort after meals. Fourth, chicken or other poultry leftovers. Roasted or grilled chicken is a go-to protein for staying strong, but reheating it multiple times, especially in the microwave, can create more of those advanced glycation end products. These compounds form when proteins and sugars react under heat, and research connects higher intake of such byproducts with increased oxidative stress that may burden the pancreas. Reheat chicken gently in the oven, covered with foil to keep moisture in, or enjoy it cold in salads and wraps. Cut it into smaller pieces before storing so it cools faster. And always reheat only once. This keeps the protein beneficial without turning it into something that works against your health goals. Fifth, potatoes, especially roasted or fried ones. Starchy veggies like potatoes can form acrylamide when heated repeatedly at high temperatures. Acrylamide is something scientists have studied in relation to long-term dietary habits and cellular health. For seniors who enjoy potatoes as a side, this is an easy one to adjust because potatoes are so versatile. Boil or steam fresh potatoes more often instead of relying on reheated roasted versions. If you do reheat, use lower temperatures in the oven and avoid charring. Mashed potatoes reheat better with added liquid on the stove. These swaps help you keep enjoying carbs without the extra compounds building up over months and years. Now, beyond these 5, let's look at the bigger picture of safe reheating for anyone wanting to protect their pancreas and overall vitality. Always store leftovers in airtight containers in the fridge within 2 hours of cooking. Shallow containers cool faster and reduce bacterial chances. Label them with dates so you use them within 3 to 4 days max. When reheating any food, bring it to a steaming hot temperature, at least 165 degrees if you have a thermometer, to make sure it's safe. Microwaves are convenient, but stir food midway and cover it to heat evenly. Ovens and stovetops often give better control for larger portions. Avoid plastic containers that aren't labeled microwave safe, as some can release particles when heated. Glass or ceramic is gentler on your food and your peace of mind. What you pair with meals also helps. Fill half your plate with colorful fresh or lightly cooked vegetables. These provide antioxidants that support your body's natural defenses against everyday stresses. Berries, leafy greens eaten fresh, tomatoes, and broccoli are wonderful choices that many seniors find easy to add daily. Staying hydrated supports digestion too, so sip water throughout the day. Gentle movement after meals, like a short walk around the house or garden, helps your body process food better and keeps the pancreas working smoothly. Maintaining a comfortable weight through balanced portions also reduces strain on this important organ. Many people notice better energy and fewer after-meal issues when they combine these habits. Think about your weekly routine. Batch cook proteins and veggies fresh more often, rather than large batches meant for multiple reheatings. Use your freezer for longer storage, thawing in the fridge overnight instead of repeated fridge to microwave cycles. These small shifts feel natural once you start, and they add up to years of better comfort. Doctors emphasize that no single food causes pancreatic issues on its own. It's the pattern over time that counts. By being mindful of how you handle leftovers, you're taking a proactive step that supports healthy aging. Many seniors who make these changes report feeling lighter, having steadier digestion, and greater confidence in their daily meals. Keep learning what works for your body. Everyone's needs are a little different, but focusing on fresh preparation when possible and safe reheating when needed gives you control. Share these ideas with family members who cook for you or eat with you. Small conversations can lead to healthier kitchens for everyone. You've made it to the end, so here's that special tip I promised. Every evening, take 5 minutes to plan tomorrow's meals with fresh elements in mind. Decide which veggies you'll eat raw or lightly cooked new, and limit reheated items to one safe cycle. This simple habit keeps your kitchen routine protective without extra effort, and many notice improved well-being within weeks. If you're ready to go deeper into simple, practical ways to support your energy, digestion, and long-term health as a senior, join our Prime Health program. It's designed specifically for folks like you who want straightforward guidance on everyday choices that make a real difference, all in a warm, supportive community focused on feeling your best every day. You'll find easy strategies that fit real life and help you enjoy more vibrant years ahead. Look for the link in the description and take that next step today.